The story about Green Mountain Coffee is the story about how coffee can change your life. And it began with the founder, Bob Stiller, who happened to be on a ski vacation down the road in Waitsfield, Vermont, and wandered into a small roaster retailer to warm his hands and get the chill off of a day on the slopes. And he was served a cup of coffee that was freshly roasted, that was sourced with integrity and commitment from fantastic farms around the world. And they served it to him with a true sense of hospitality, and it completely transformed him. It was the very first time that he had tasted coffee that really resonated with him beyond just hot brown drink. And he ended up buying that little company and growing it over the course of many, many years. And through that time, we've actually not only changed the lives of people who love coffee, but also the lives of thousands of coffee farmers around the world.